Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing products in the camera world, the Canon EOS R7 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. These cameras have some impressive features, and we'll be breaking down their performance in various categories. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's start by comparing the prices of these cameras. The Canon EOS R7 comes with a price tag of $1,899, while the Fujifilm X-T5 is priced at $2,199. It's important to consider your budget while making a decision. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel in their own way. The Canon EOS R7 features a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor for sharp and crisp images. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 sports a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hours CMOS sensor, ensuring stunning image quality with rich details. In terms of handling and design, both cameras offer a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. The Canon EOS R7 is compact and lightweight, making it a great companion for adventures. The Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X series design with easy-to-use dials for quick adjustments, even with the camera turned off. When it comes to minimizing camera shake, both cameras have impressive technologies. The Canon EOS R7 features 5-axis image stabilization with 7 stops of shake correction, ensuring sharp images even in challenging conditions. The Fujifilm X-T5 also comes with powerful in-body image stabilization for excellent stabilization performance. Now, let's talk about some additional features. The Canon EOS R7 boasts high-speed continuous shooting with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS, which is great for capturing fast-paced action. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers an impressive native ISO range that now extends to ISO 125, allowing for greater versatility in various lighting conditions. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. Both cameras have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on your specific photography needs. Remember to consider factors like price, image quality, handling, and additional features while making your decision. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy shooting!